All right, Gen Z checks it out. What do you think?
We have 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
One big one here, and then like a small
So which one's your bedroom? You think?
I don't really care for that one.
But do you see the saloon doors? Like go move the doors. Yeah. You're like in yeah. There you go. That's like you're in Texas.
But they're only one way.
Yeah, the other one. Beat the other one. So does Gen Z approve?
I approve. Yes.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Hey, you guys are on TikTok now. You ready? Are you ready to be influenced? No, not with the. You think so? Hold on, wait. It'd like be more. All right. All right. Be influencers. Do something like do a dance or something.
What's up, my fellow people?
Yeah. But like do a TikTok dance. Can you do that?
I'm not on TikTok. I'm too old for that.
You can't like. So that's a TikTok dance. All right, got it. Good. All right, hipster. So what do you guys think about the bedroom?
It's very small.
Cool. There's like mold.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Are you gonna fix it?
I don't know how.
All right. Well, we'll get you a job.
Sleeping, it's probably enough.
It's also.
Yeah.
But that's not your room. That's mom.
What?
No, your room's out here, bro.
Oh, the old my room.
Yeah. No, that's for the old people.
The old people room. Yeah.
All right. What about the Wohnzimmer, dude? What do you think?
Oh man, the rooms are also a bit old.
Yeah.
But obviously we have to do some furnishing.
Right. Okay. I like it.
But otherwise, it's completely.
All right. That's good. What do you think? What do you think about this? What do you think about that lamp, dude?
It's pretty awesome, man.